And so the thing that we're going to look at here is the version of the robot controller that you're going to work with. So if you have an actual controller, you can select the version here if you can't get an all the above backup for some odd reason, but you definitely want to be programming and doing your features in the proper backup. So we chose a V-930-IB controller. This right here is kind of just saying, do you want to add any of these application tool packages to it, or you can load in your own tooling to your robot as well. We're not going to really worry about loading anything in right now, but we'll go ahead and move to the next thing. So from here, this is your robot arm, so your robot model. This is the actual mechanical unit. One thing to keep in mind, the robot controller that you select will change the robot arms that you can see in this list right here. So if we go back here, so see where the V-930-R30-IB plus, this gives us this list of robots here. So if you don't see the robot you're looking for, that may be the reason why. You may not have the right model number controller or the right model number robot arm. So we're going to choose this LR-Mate 200ID 14L. So the 14 in this gives you your payload. So it's 14 kgs, which is close to about 30 pounds. So from here, if you can select some other features of the robot, like you can see right here, there's a rail unit. You can add an auxiliary axis.